Hi everyone, my name is Joram Mukiza. I work with Teach For Uganda as a Recruitment and Selection Officer. I am here to give you an insight of what happens at Assessment Center. Assessment Center is a full-day evaluation which starts at 8 a.m. and it consists of 4 activities. 1. Introduction. 2. Sample teaching. 3. Group activity. 4. Personal interviews. During the introduction, you have an opportunity to meet a team that is going to lead that day and also ask questions before we start off any activities. During sample teaching, you have an opportunity to execute your 5-minute lesson plan, which you design using a thematic curriculum designed in either primary 1 or primary 2, teaching math or English. And by doing so, you have an opportunity to vision what your excellent education is by bringing it to life and show us what our children should actually expect if you are given an opportunity to become a teacher. During the group activity, we are able to assess how do you work with people that have different mindsets. How do you work with people to achieve a goal, and how can you be able to contribute towards a certain outcome. Midday evaluation is where you have an opportunity to have your breakfast, and while you are doing so, the assessing team converges with all evidence gathered so that they can be able to select who goes on to the next course of interview. And by so doing, unfortunately, it's going to be the end of the road for some of you, but hey, you can still be able to apply again when you call for applications. During personal interviews, you are able to share with us how you performed in the morning activities. Share with us your interests and experiences. Why would you want to join the Teach For Uganda Fellowship? And why, of all organizations, Teach For Uganda? And by so doing, we are able to know what your skills are and what your mindset is that can be able to lead you to become an effective and transformational teacher leader. Kindly don't forget to carry the following: a face mask, because health is paramount, curriculum vitae, a lesson plan designed in either math or English for primary 1 or primary 2, carry an identification card, and also don't forget to keep time, because time is also paramount. Please note that you should come in professional wear. Thank you, and see you at Assessment Center.